Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Slack from your Windows 11 system. Now, first what you have to do is just simply go to your search bar right next to the start button and just type for settings. From the best matches, you'll find settings. Just open this up. And after going into settings, you're gonna find apps over here on the left hand side. Just click on it. Then just go to installed apps. Then from this list, you just have to search for Slack. Or you can just go to the search bar and type Slack. And after you search for Slack, you're going to find Slack. And to install it, you simply have to click on the Install button. Just click on this, then just click on the Install button once again. And then just give it some time. Slack will be installed from your system. And there you go. And basically that is how to install Slack from your Windows 11 system. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.